Hey everyone, welcome back to Janbei Tutorial. Today we are exploring Lemon8, an exciting new photo and video sharing app from ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. Let's dive into what makes Lemon8 so unique. Lemon8 launched in Japan in 2020 and went global in 2022. It's often described as a blend between Pinterest and Instagram, providing a creative space for young people to share content. The app features a clean, intuitive interface with sections like a home feed, explore page, and profile. The Explore page stands out with curated collections or lemons on popular topics like food, fashion, and travel. Users can create their own lemons similar to Pinterest boards, organizing photos, videos, and text around a specific theme. Lemon8 allows multiple photos and videos in a single post, perfect for detailed storytelling. Lemon8's focus on micro-communities and visual storytelling makes it a hit among young users and brands. Check out Lemon8 for a unique and engaging social media experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Janbei Tutorial.